Hi, in this video we will be talking about the importance of the do's and don'ts of rekindling a broken relationship. Watch this video to the end to learn certain do's and don'ts can serve as guiding principles in this delicate process. Welcome back to Relationship Facts. Rekindling a broken relationship can be both exhilarating and daunting. Whether it's a romantic partnership, friendship, or familial bond, attempting to mend a fractured connection requires patience, understanding, and effort from all parties involved. While there's no one-size-fits-all approach to rebuilding relationships, certain do's and don'ts can serve as guiding principles in this delicate process. Do's. Open communication. Foster an environment where honest and open communication is encouraged. Both parties should feel safe expressing their thoughts, feelings, and concerns without fear of judgment or reprisal. Active listening is equally important, ensuring that each person feels heard and understood. Reflect on past mistakes. Take time to reflect on the factors that led to the breakdown of the relationship. Acknowledge any mistakes or shortcomings on your part and be willing to apologize sincerely. Understanding the root causes of the rift can help prevent similar issues from arising in the future. Set realistic expectations. Rebuilding trust and repairing a relationship takes time and effort. It's essential to set realistic expectations and be patient throughout the process. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a healthy, thriving relationship. Focus on positivity. While it's important to address past grievances, dwelling excessively on negative experiences can hinder progress. Instead, focus on fostering positive interactions and creating new memories together. Celebrate milestones and achievements, no matter how small, to reinforce the bond between you. Seek professional help if needed. Sometimes, the assistance of a therapist or counselor can be invaluable in navigating complex relationship dynamics. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if you feel overwhelmed or stuck in the reconciliation process. A trained mediator can provide guidance and facilitate productive discussions. Don'ts. Rehash past arguments. Continuously revisiting past arguments or grievances can hinder progress and breed resentment. While it's essential to address underlying issues, dwelling on past conflicts without resolution serves no purpose other than reopening old wounds. Play the blame game. Assigning blame or pointing fingers only serves to escalate tensions and prolong the healing process. Instead of focusing on who's at fault, concentrate on finding solutions and moving forward together as a team. Rush the reconciliation process. Rebuilding trust and repairing a broken relationship takes time. Rushing the reconciliation process or expecting immediate results can lead to disappointment and further strain on the relationship. Allow each person involved to heal and grow at their own pace. Dismiss each other's feelings. Invalidating or dismissing each other's feelings can create barriers to effective communication and understanding. Even if you don't agree with their perspective, acknowledge their emotions and strive to empathize with their experience. Neglect self-care. Rekindling a broken relationship can be emotionally taxing, so it's crucial to prioritize self-care throughout the process. Make time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation, and don't neglect your physical and mental well-being. Embarking on the journey to rekindle a broken relationship is a complex and emotionally charged endeavor. Whether it's a romantic partnership, friendship, or familial bond, the process of healing requires profound introspection, empathy, and commitment from all parties involved. While each relationship is unique, certain guiding principles can help navigate the intricate path towards reconciliation. In this comprehensive guide, we delve deeper into the do's and don'ts of rebuilding fractured connections, exploring the nuances of communication, self-reflection, and resilience required to foster genuine healing and growth. Exploring the do's. Open communication. Central to the process of rekindling any relationship is fostering an environment of open and honest communication. Encouraging dialogue allows each party to express their thoughts, emotions, and concerns freely, without the fear of judgment or reprisal. Active listening plays a pivotal role in this exchange, ensuring that both individuals feel genuinely heard and understood. Through transparent communication, barriers are dismantled, and a foundation of trust and mutual respect can be rebuilt. Reflect on past mistakes. Meaningful reconciliation requires a sincere acknowledgement of past mistakes and shortcomings. Taking the time to reflect on the factors that contributed to the breakdown of the relationship is essential for personal growth and understanding. Owning up to one's role in the discord and offering genuine apologies fosters accountability and demonstrates a willingness to learn from past experiences. By confronting and addressing past grievances, individuals pave the way for genuine healing and transformation. Set realistic expectations. Patience is paramount when embarking on the journey to rekindle a broken relationship. Setting realistic expectations ensures that both parties recognize the time and effort required for genuine reconciliation. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a resilient, thriving connection. By tempering expectations and embracing the ebb and flow of the healing process, individuals can cultivate resilience and perseverance in the face of adversity. Focus on positivity. While it's crucial to address past grievances, dwelling excessively on negative experiences can impede progress and breed resentment. Instead, individuals should strive to focus on fostering positivity and creating new, uplifting memories together. Celebrating milestones and achievements, no matter how small, reinforces the bond between individuals and cultivates a sense of shared joy and camaraderie. By cultivating a positive outlook, individuals can infuse the healing journey with hope, optimism, and resilience. Seek professional help if needed. Navigating the complexities of rekindling a broken relationship can be challenging, and there's no shame in seeking outside assistance. Professional therapists or counselors can provide invaluable guidance and support, helping individuals navigate communication barriers, manage conflict, and cultivate healthy relationship dynamics. Whether through individual therapy or couples counseling, the guidance of a trained mediator can facilitate productive discussions and foster genuine understanding and empathy. Navigating the don'ts. Rehash past arguments. Continuously revisiting past arguments or grievances serves little purpose other than reopening old wounds and perpetuating resentment. While it's essential to address underlying issues, dwelling on past conflicts without resolution only serves to undermine progress and impede genuine healing. Individuals must resist the temptation to rehash past grievances and instead focus on finding constructive solutions and forging a path forward. Avoid playing the blame game. Assigning blame or pointing fingers only serves to escalate tensions and prolong the healing process. Instead of fixating on who's at fault, individuals should focus on fostering empathy, understanding, and forgiveness. By shifting the focus from blame to accountability and reconciliation, individuals can lay the groundwork for genuine healing and growth within the relationship. Avoid rushing the reconciliation process. Rebuilding trust and repairing a broken relationship takes time, patience, and effort. Rushing the reconciliation process or expecting immediate results is unrealistic and can lead to further disappointment and strain on the relationship. Individuals must allow each other the space and time needed to heal and grow, respecting each other's individual journey towards reconciliation. Avoid dismissing each other's feelings. Invalidating or dismissing each other's feelings undermines the foundation of trust and empathy essential for genuine reconciliation. Even if individuals don't agree with each other's perspective, it's crucial to acknowledge and validate each other's emotions. By fostering a climate of empathy and understanding, individuals can cultivate deeper emotional connections and navigate conflicts with greater compassion and resilience. Neglect self-care. Rekindling a broken relationship can be emotionally taxing, making self-care essential for overall well-being and resilience. Individuals must prioritize their physical, emotional, and mental health throughout the healing process, engaging in activities that promote relaxation, joy, and personal growth. By nurturing themselves, individuals can cultivate the strength and resilience needed to navigate the challenges of reconciliation with grace and authenticity. Rekindling a broken relationship is a profound journey of healing, growth, and transformation. By embracing the do's and avoiding the don'ts outlined in this comprehensive guide, individuals can lay a strong foundation for rebuilding trust, fostering open communication, and nurturing genuine connection. While the path to reconciliation may be fraught with challenges and setbacks, it's through patience, empathy, and perseverance that individuals can forge deeper bonds and create a future filled with mutual understanding, respect, and love. As each individual commits to the process of healing and growth, they embark on a shared journey towards renewed connection and lasting fulfillment. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on relationship facts. See you next time.